J.S. Gadsden, trained by Gerald Cottrell and ridden by Tommy Lang. And third was number 7, Brary Fee, owned by Mr. C.
What's more important, a dog or a human life?
That was a public information film. Well, now the time is 19 minutes past midnight, and it's time for us to go. But Radio 2's on the air all night, as ever, and Radio 4 Longwave carries the BBC World Service. Thank you for joining us tonight, and now on behalf of everyone here, this is wishing you a warm